Hi, this is Mike Hamilton on the 21st of July from Trade the Easy Way. Just want to do a quick midweek review because there's so many good trades out there, so many good charts setting up. This is the dollar index, US dollar index. Posted the hammer extreme RSI on Sunday, my video, and here we have the dollar moving up. So this means that this is bad news for equities and commodities because it's a safe haven. This is the bonds. The bonds are still being bought. These are very, very strong. So there is fear in the market. And gold is having a rough time. It's moving sideways. If we get extreme fear in the markets, we might get a break up here of this gold. I think we'll chop around until we get a decision here. We'll either drop hard through fear of deflation or run up through just sheer fear in the markets, as we saw in autumn 08. Today we've got a close on the S&P 500 futures down here below this key area. I would short a pullback to 1070. This is very bearish. These markets just can't get going, and I think that that is the sentiment of the day. Here we've got oil. Nice big red bar below the fib zone here, closed below the 8-day moving average. We've just got the 20 above. I think with the strength of that dollar, we will see oil move right down to these lows down here now. Not expecting oil to be that strong. The index today showed relatively strong reserves, so that's bad for oil. Looking at currencies, this is the pound against the dollar. This close today has closed below a lot of price action over here. We're below the 50% in the fibs. We're in this channel though, so pound's not been that great at times. A lot of sideways action some days, but we are below the 8 and the 200. We've just got the 20 and the 50 below us. If we start to break out the bottom of this channel, then we really are going to get going, and we're going to see some swift moves to make new lows. That euro short, I got stopped out for 18 points. This is one I again talked about on my weekend newsletter. I was short here, got stopped out by 18 points, and of course since then it's dropped nicely, and the move has that's the way it goes, unfortunately. Right, let's see if there's some other charts out there. This Aussie dollar US, not looking to short this at the moment, but I do think if these equity markets do roll over and break those levels as we saw in that daily chart, then I do think this will roll over as well. I've got a lower high here at the moment, but I won't start to short it until we get a close below the 50 EMA. This pound CAD has got me interested on the daily because it's moving around between the 50 and the 200. The 50 and the 200 is getting ever so smaller. I think we could really break up here. Let's have a look at the 240 minute chart. The 240 actually looks very interesting. Look at this 240. We get above here at 159.40. If we can close up here, then I think we'll be very bullish. But to the moment, even the 240 is trapped between the the 50 and the 200. So not touching that at the moment. I like the pound yen. We're closed below this trend line today. If I can get a pullback at 132.38, no, actually slightly higher, 132.50 or 132.45, I'd be very happy with. I would short that with a stop right up there above these two bars, and trying to get a move down back to these lows and possibly further on the pound yen. Lastly, this US dollar CAD, very, very interesting. We've just got to get above this 200 EMA, and I think we'll really bust up. Hope that helps. Email with any questions, and talk to you soon. Thanks.